When I plunge into the open water, there's a moment of stillness, a pause where the vastness of the sea reminds me of my smallness and God's greatness. In that moment, I find clarity. Life is not about conquering the waves, but about surrendering to the rhythm of the Creator's design. Hobbies, like swimming, gardening, painting, or woodworking, are more than just pastimes. They're opportunities to grow, to rest, and to reflect. They teach us humility, because they remind us that mastery takes time, patience, and persistence. The Bible tells us in Proverbs 3:7, "Do not be wise in your own eyes, fear the Lord and shun evil." Our hobbies invite us to set aside pride, embrace the learning process, and depend on God for strength and inspiration. Think about the joy that comes when you make something with your hands or push your body to new limits. That joy is a gift from God, meant to refresh your soul and renew your spirit. But hobbies also come with a subtle temptation: the temptation to elevate our achievements above our Creator or to compare our progress to others. True humility reminds us that our hobbies are not about proving ourselves, but about glorifying God. So, how do we approach our hobbies with humility? First, let's be grateful for the time, health, and resources to enjoy them. Whether your hobby is hiking up a mountain or crafting in your living room, give thanks to the Lord who provides the air you breathe and the strength you use. Second, dedicate your efforts to God. Say a prayer before you begin, asking Him to guide your hands, steady your heart, and keep your focus on Him. Let your hobby become an act of worship. Finally, use your hobbies to serve others. Make what you create a blessing for someone else. Invite others to join you, not to show off your skills, but to share joy, encouragement, and fellowship. As I swim, I often reflect on Micah 6:8. He has shown you, O mortal, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. My strokes become a prayer, my breath a rhythm of surrender. I encourage you to approach your hobby the same way, with a heart surrendered to God and a spirit eager to learn, grow, and serve. When you pursue your hobbies with humility, you'll find peace, contentment, and purpose. The pressure to perform fades, and the joy of simply being in God's presence becomes enough. So, go forth today. Enjoy your passions, embrace the learning, stay humble, and always remember that the ultimate Creator delights in your efforts, no matter how small they seem. Stay in the shadows in your pursuits and steadfast in your faith. Remember me when you give. Thank you,